Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful infographic design in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let's first enable the guides. Go to Insert tab and then draw rectangle shape. Align it centrally to vertical guide and make it no outline. Also, increase its transparency to see-through. Go to Insert tab and draw circle shape. Align it over rectangle shape and increase its transparency. Align this circle shape in such a way that it creates a pencil shape at the middle. Drag this circle holding Ctrl and Shift keys to create its duplicate and place it at equal distance from vertical guide. Now subtract both circle shapes from rectangle to get pencil shape cut at the middle. Next, go to Insert tab and draw rectangle shape at the bottom of pencil cut shape. Make it no outline and format it with linear gradient. Change the direction and change the stop colors by adding few more new stops as shown. Duplicate this rectangle shape using Ctrl+D and place it on top of pencil cut shape. Reduce its size to fit it between top cut size. Now go to Insert tab and draw rectangle shape on top of this small rectangle. Make it no outline and fill it with black color. Duplicate this rectangle shape using Ctrl+D and increase its transparency. Rotate this shape and align it to original rectangle shape as shown. Subtract both the shapes. Now duplicate this bottom rectangle shape using Ctrl+D and place them one below the other. Increase its size until bottom edge of slide. Now remove two gradient stops as shown and change colors of other four stops. Also change the color of top cut section. Go to Insert tab and draw rectangle shape. Make it no outline and increase its transparency to see-through. Rotate this shape by -35 degrees and align it as shown. Duplicate this rectangle using Ctrl+D and adjust its size. Make sure both rectangles slightly overlap so that when we union them later, it must turn into a solid shape with no gaps between. Continue to duplicate this shape and place them in a pattern. Adjusting last duplicate shape is bit crucial. Make sure it fits between two corner points as shown. Now select all rectangle shapes and union them together. Change its fill color and remove its transparency. You can also resize this rectangular pattern, but make sure to align it properly to corner point. Now select all shapes and create 3 more duplicates. Drag all shapes holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to create duplicates. Group each design segment and distribute them horizontally. Ungroup all shapes and change the gradient colors. Next, format the background with radial gradient. Change the direction, and make it a two-step gradient. Change stop colors to light gray and white colors. Lastly, let's create shadow effect at the back end of each pencil shape. Go to Insert tab, and draw ellipse shape. Make it no outline, and fill it with dark gray color. Increase its soft edges and transparency values until you get desired shadow effect. Now place this shadow effect at the back end of each pencil shape. Select all shapes, and reduce their size as per slide layout. Next, add text fields to finalize your design. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment.